Hey guys, Jared Wesley here, Live Traders. I want to apologize. I put this video together today of me trading live, trading the market open live. But for whatever reason, the camera didn't take me, meaning I wanted you guys to see my screen right here, which I got, okay? And then I wanted to also for you guys to see me in the background like this, and I didn't get a chance to do that, so I just want to say I apologize. Tomorrow, the next day, I'll do another trade video where I'll get the camera to work properly. So I apologize, but enjoy the trade for you guys. This is me trading the open live, okay? Real money, real account live, not the other bullshit you see everywhere else, all right? Enjoy, guys. Take care. So I really like Perigo, guys. So stalk PRGO off the open. It looks like the camera's still good, so we should be all right. So let's focus, guys. All right, let's stay focused. NXPI, we'll keep an eye on that. It's coming up to the 110 area. Light is already moving up. AAOI is not there yet. And this Perigo, I don't mind it under 72, guys. It's just let's see how it trades. Okay, market's open. Let's see how it trades. All right. Okay, so NXPI is popping. Let's keep an eye on that. I want a shot at this PRGO, guys, at 72.50 by like 73.25. I think we're gonna have to I'm gonna have to share size for $1 on Perigo, guys. So I'm gonna put an order in, guys. So 72.50 by 73.50 on PRGO. We may cancel it. It's okay. PRGO 72.50 by 73.50. Okay, I like that. Again, it's popping right now, so I might end up canceling it. It's popping right now, so I might end up canceling it. All right, let's keep an eye on FNSR. Okay, let's keep an eye on that. FNSR. Pulling in a little bit. NXPI. Pulling back a little bit too, guys. And this light, guys, yeah, let's watch this light, LITE. Let's think about let's see what we have going on here, guys. About $1.50 this thing moves on average. So let's try light, guys, with about a 50-cent stop. You know what? Let's make it 70. Right here, guys. Right here, guys. 66.80 by low of the day. 66.80 by 66.15. LITE. 66.80 by 66.15. Okay. All right. LITE. 66.80 by 66.15. I apologize. That was a little bit late there. Okay. A little overshare sized on this thing. So let's pull back a little bit just because I'm a little overshare sized.
Filled.
All right, now I'm proper. All right, so
order filled.
Let's oopsie, there we go. Put that right there, guys. Perigo just triggered. All right, Perigo, PRGO, guys. We need a lot on this thing. All right, guys, take half off right here. Half right here, guys. Half right here. Half right here, guys. Okay, let's get ready.
Order filled.
All right, guys. At the whole number, 71. Let's take the rest. Okay, at the whole number. Stop, break even, guys. Stop, break even on Perigo. Stop, break even on Perigo. Take the rest at the whole number. Okay? So stop, break even. Okay? So PRGO, stop, break even. Okay? PRGO back target is 71.05. Okay, hopefully it'll get back down there. All right, we got down about $1.20 on this on about $1 stop. I'm looking for a little more on that. Cliff likes NXPI. You know what? We'll keep an eye on that, guys. This light is kind of messing around. Perigo, yeah, we'll see, guys. Okay. I'm going to be at 72.25, guys, on Perigo. We'll still make 1R out of it. All right, from where I got out. Yep, we're going to get out. We're going to get tagged on this thing soon, guys. Yep, all right, I'm out, guys. That's not really what I was hoping for, but what do we get? About 3/4 of an R. I share size for $1. Actually, I share size for less than that. My apologies. I share size for A little less than that. So LITE, guys, is kind of hanging in a range here. All right, so let's get that stop up on LITE to 66.35, guys. 66.35 on your LITE stop to 66.35. Okay. All right. We're gonna look.
Order
all right, we're gonna be out of this thing soon. All right, I'm out, guys. My average exit is 66.65. I took some off on that 60-cent pop because we had about a 60-cent stop, so I took a little bit off. So I lost 10 cents on light. So out LITE for a 10-cent loss on a, what was that, a 60-cent stop. So whatever that comes out to. Okay. Perigo, guys, good exit on Perigo. Good exit, going to even. Okay, very good exit. That thing would have tagged us full. Wow, look at XRX, guys. Man, what happened there? I mean, I thought it would go lower, but I certainly didn't think it would drop like that. You know what I mean? I certainly didn't think it would drop like that. So right now, not a full winner on Perigo and not a full loser on light. So okay, it's a little choppy start to the day. Light is getting hammered. So again, guys, good exit on light. Okay, good exit on light. That would have been a full stop. So all right, we got out of light for a partial loss. If you're gonna lose, you want to lose partial. Guys, watch IFF under 125. IFF under 125. Okay. You're looking at a stock with only 46,000 shares, so be very, very, very careful. The spread on this thing is about 20 cents. Okay, so I can't put it out official. I'm just going to say stop IFF under 125. It's too thin for me. Okay. All right, too thin for me. So you can see, guys, right there. Stock IFF under 125, too thin for me. Guys, for those newer folks in the room, all my official trades, other than verbal, because I always mention verbal, they're also in the announcements folder. Okay, they're also in the announcements folder. Guys, the market has moved up, like I said, it would off the open, but the long list is really dropping here, right? Light dropping, AAOI dropping, FNSR dropping, OCLR dropping. You know what? Marvel is holding up. Marvel is holding up. HD is coming back up pretty strong, guys. All right, keep an eye on HD. If you guys have anything specific you're looking at, let me know. The goal is to make money, not to take trades. I know that sounds weird to some people. Trades are simply the vehicle we use to make money. Some days that's 8 vehicles, some days it's 1. So anyway, I like the WDC that you guys are in with Unmall. I want to see it hang out here just a little longer. If this thing comes back to 81.40, I would be interested in this thing with a 40-cent stop. You guys are in it at 81.12, which is a really, really good entry. So anyway, TNDM over 966. That's not too bad. I don't like how it's getting there though, Mark. Right, you're already up 4 bars. The 5 minutes not too bad though. We can keep an eye on that. All right. Guys, Marvel is looking pretty good, looking pretty strong on the MRVL. We would be looking at 22.30 by 22.10-ish, so about a 20-cent stop. There goes that TNDM, Mark, if you like it, but again, it was just a little too extended for me. Guys, watch Perigo under 73. PRGO, watch it under 73 with a stop at 74. Watch PRGO under 73 with a stop at 74. Guys, I'm going to take a half lot of this
Order
thing.
filled.
Perigo right here, 73 by 74, half lot, all right? PRGO, 73 by 74, half lot, okay? I don't fully trust it right here. That's why I'm doing a half lot, okay? I'm doing a half lot on it, okay? Doing a half lot. Partial position on it because I'm not fully trusting it, all right? And so far, I'm right not to trust it because it triggered by 7 cents is bouncing right back up. If this thing gets above 73.40, I think we're going to be in trouble. All right? So we'll see what happens with it. Maybe it'll come back in. All right, I like that kind of that sell setup right here on the 1 minute. Right there on the 1 minute, but it's leaving a bottoming tail, which is not a great sign, obviously. Look at it bouncing back up pretty heavy, guys. So it looks like might take a stop on this. Remember, it's just a partial lot, guys. It's just a partial lot. It's a half lot. Okay, I want to be very clear about it. It's a half lot. MRVL. The only concern on MRVL, guys, is that maybe it's put in a full day's move. All right. Perigo doesn't look like it's going to work, guys. So have your stops in. Don't mess around with that stuff. Have your stops in. Okay, don't mess around with it. I like it right here on MRVL, guys. I'm not sure if the average trading range is good enough. You need about 30 cents from it, so about 22.60. Let's see what happens with it. Okay, let's see what happens with it. WDC, well done, guys. Wow, look at that. Remember I was just talking about WDC, guys? Saying, man, I really like this thing over 81.40. Look at that move. I didn't expect that pop. What a beauty is right, Yates? What a beauty. What a pop on that bad boy. Yep. So we'll see. Nice job, guys. Well done, Unmol. Perigo, guys, not looking so hot. It came back down a little bit, but I'm still in it. Okay, but I've kind of written it off. All right, still in it, but it's coming back to 73.50. Came back as high as 73.70. So this thing looks like it wants to go higher. In fact, it's tempting to get in long over 74. I'm not going to though. I'm not going to. I'm gonna take my lickings and move on. It's a half lot, no big deal. All right, it's a half lot, no big deal. There goes Marvell, guys. Marvell's up about half of an hour so far, right? I mean, it's moved up about 15 cents. So really, between MRVL and WDC, I probably should have been in one of those, but hindsight's 2020. I love those hindsight traders, the shoulda, woulda, coulda traders that say everything after the fact. You got to feel confident before the fact, otherwise you're not going to take it, right? IFF I really like. I just don't like the volume, guys. Thing does $4 days. The decline, the rising 200 is at 123.50. It's $1.50 away. If you did this, guys, you need about $1 stop on IFF. Okay, you need about $1 stop on IFF if you choose to do it. Okay. I'm very tempted, guys. The thing I don't like about IFF is the spread's not too bad right now, but the spread opens up, right? I've seen this spread open up to 30 plus cents, but mainly it's the 69,000 shares, guys. That's really troubling me. You guys want to live a little, do another half lot? Let's try it, guys. 125 by 126, half lot IFF. All right, IFF 125 by 126, half lot due to the light volume. Okay. All right, due to the light volume. All right, this is going to be a tough fill, guys, on this thing. But I like the pattern. The pattern is beautiful. Nothing wrong with the pattern whatsoever. The only negative, other than the volume, which is a problem, the only negative is that you only have about $1.50 until we get to that weekly 200. Okay? All right, there's a weekly 200 at 123.50, which we have to respect. Marvell, guys. My bad. Sorry, guys. My bad. You know, this thing worked out, or is working out, a lot better than I expected. I just thought it was looking a little bit tired. You know, you're up, what I say, 22.60 was an hour and a half. You're 4 cents from target on Marvell. It would have been 22.30 by 22.10, give or take. So let's see what happens with it. Okay. And WDC, well done. Okay. Unmol's watching MSCC. Okay. Yeah, you know what? MSCC looks really good. It's just a matter of, you know, does it have... This was the one that played games the other day, last week, right? It had a lot of topping tails and bottoming tails, I believe, if I recall. Perigo, guys, it's trying, but I'm not there yet on the faith wagon. You know what I mean? I'm still not a believer, even though we're in it. There goes your full target, guys, on Marvell. 1.5 to 1 is typically what I'm shooting for, and there it goes. It went 35 cents on a on a 20-cent stop. So almost 2 to 1, about 1.75 to 1 on Marvell. My bad for not calling it, guys. I apologize. So half lot IFF, I got nothing, guys. Completely skipped IFF, guys. Nothing. Blew right through me. And I gave it about 15 cents. I went 125.01 down to 124.85 and got nothing. Now, you can get filled right now, but I'm not getting filled on the way back up. I'm not getting filled on the way back up. And right now, it's looking like I'm glad I didn't get filled. Look at that. I'm glad I didn't get filled. So, cancel IFF, no fill. And that might be a fortuitous no fill. Look at the shake, guys. Look at the computer shake on that thing. Wow. Break under and come right back up. NXPI, guys. Keep an eye on NXPI. Right here at 109.25. NXPI. Right there it is. NXPI. Watch that. Again, guys, I apologize on Marvell. It wasn't the pattern. It was not the pattern. It was the trading range. I didn't think it had the range in it. And I was wrong. It went 2 to 1. It went 41 cents, which is 2 to 1. Okay. Perigo went back down to 72.96, guys, and came right back up. 73.80 Perigo stop. PRG stopped to 73.80. Okay. All right. Perigo stopped to 73.80. Okay. We'll see what happens with this thing. I don't like that it went back down to 72.96 and bounced again. If it went back down to 72.96, it should have continued. So I'm going to say this to you guys. If Perigo gets back under 73, I'm probably going to walk on it. I'm probably going to just take it off. All right. If PRGO gets back down to 73.0 or 72.95, I'll probably walk on it. Okay, which means get out of it. More than likely, we'll see. Trying to give it a fair shake, but wow, look at LRCX, guys. That was a pretty nice little 3-bar play at 207 on the 2-minute there, 207.28, something like that. Beautiful little 3-bar play. What are you guys looking at, guys? Microsoft. Sorry, Alicia, I didn't see that, brother. Microsoft. Earlier, perhaps, right? Microsoft at like 97, 95, 98 bucks. I could see that because over 98 is not bad. That's probably what you were looking at. I just didn't see it in time. My apologies. There goes NXPI. I don't like the long list really at all, guys. QCOM looks like crap. ACIA junk. OCLR junk. FNSR junk. AAOI junk. LITE junk. And the short list, not so great. So, I'm going to do a little bit of scanning, guys. All right, VRX, Cliffs in NXPI. VRX is actually pretty nice there, yeah. 21.35, that's not bad. And NXPI, I think, is one I kind of wish I was in, somewhere around 109 to 109.25, you know. All right. Oh, okay, so you were looking long at 110.60 a while ago, and obviously readjusted that when this thing pulled back a little bit. Okay. Markets are higher so far. That was my morning market call, guys. Market higher in the morning session. That was my call. So far, that's been the case. But I'll tell you, for as big of a gap list as we had, for as big of a long list as we had, a little bit choppy, right? Passed on the Marvell, which was a shame. WDC, which was a shame. This Spotify was nice over 160, guys. I did not see it in time, but Spotify, which is a pain in the neck to trade usually, was decent over that 160 area. Now it's up, I don't know, 60 or 70 cents. So if you guys see anything you like, let me know, because right now I'm scanning and I'm not seeing a lot of stuff that I really like. Okay, I'm not seeing a ton of stuff that I really like as I scan. But we'll find something. We always do, right? We always do. Like I said on the Perigo, guys, it's not going to work. The way it tested that area twice, I'm fairly confident it's not going to work, guys. So just, again, have those stops. you know, down in that area, and we'll mitigate our risk. It's a half lot to begin with, but you know, if you take a look, guys, right? Let's take a look. PRGO right here on the 1 minute. You see that volume spike right there? That's bad. The fact that I went to 72.96 on volume and was unable to continue lower is a very bad sign, guys. Okay, over here on that 1 minute, volume spike right there. Okay, unable to continue lower usually means a reversal. I hope I'm wrong. I'd like to be wrong, but usually it's not the case with that. Unmol is looking at Costco. Everybody's favorite store. Yeah, Costco is nice right there at 196.40. And you guys noticing here, some of the newer traders, that to be a good trader, patience is a big part of that. You don't just come in and close your eyes and throw shit at the wall. You know, you have to just chill out. You know what I mean? TNDM worked. You wanted to be in at 0.66. Yeah, you want my honest answer, Mark? I just don't know the pattern you took on it. I mean, that's it. I mean, if you can tell me the name of the pattern you took on it, I'd be happy to take a look at it. I don't look at that as a 1 minute 3 bar play, because you're already up multiple bars, right? That's the bar you looked at it right there. I think you said $9.66, so I'm not seeing the pattern that, you know, whatever that was. I'm glad it worked for you. I'm always happy when people make money. I don't know what pattern that was. All right, Yates has CVS, guys. Okay, buy setup here on the 5 minute and the 2 minute, 0.75. So is that a new pattern now? Take it over the pre-market highs. Okay, right here, guys, 65.75. It's very, very, very close. All right, it's triggering right about now. 65.30 is the stop. So it's a beautiful buy setup, right? No qualms there on the buy setup. The 5 minutes nice, the 2 minutes nice. It looks very, very, very good. That IFF, just good no fill. We got lucky on the no fill, right? We got to be honest about stuff. We got lucky on the no fill, because that would have been, you know, a negative experience on that thing. All right. QCOM, nothing there. SYMC, guys, what do you guys think at 21.50 on Symantec? I'm not loving it, I'll be honest, but I'm stalking it. Right, stalking SYMC over 21.50. Perigo's about to stop out, guys. All right, have your stop in on PRGO. It's going to be a double partial.
Order filled.
Right. There it is. I'm out, Perigo, guys. I'm out. Okay, so it went up to 84 and filled me at 84. That's nice. That's real trading, guys. That's slippage. My order was sitting there at 76. It filled me at 84. It is what it is. All right, so out Perigo, out PRGO. I'm watching SYMC. Okay, I'm watching SYMC at the 21.50 mark. It's looking like about a 20 to 30 cent stop. So again, I'm not in love with it just yet. All right, I'm not in love with it just yet. Okay, so out PRGO at what was that, 73.84 fill on a half lot. So it was guys, ended up being like a, I don't know, 0.4R loss, something like that, because it was a partial loss on a partial lot, right? Partial loss on a partial lot. Nice bounce, guys, on your CVS. I feel like Unmol on Friday, I feel like everything I'm not taking is working out really well. That's the way it goes. That's reality trading, guys. Not the bullshit trading you're going to get everywhere else. That's reality trading. Some days are choppy. Some days are, are not. So quick recap. We're not anywhere close to done yet. Quick recap. Small loss, guys, on light. It was a half lot to begin with. Small loss. And then Perigo, partial winner, not a full winner. It's a shame too, because it looked like it was going to go further. And then a partial lot on a partial loss on a partial lot. Right. So that's a quick recap. 3 trades so far. Wow, nice job on your CVS so far. It's still not done yet. 190. And the long list is just strong today, guys. Really strong on the long list. Market's up 112 on the Dow, which is a worthless indicator, but nonetheless, Nvidia we looked at, QCOM we looked at. Break even on CVS per Jeff Yates, guys. All right, per Mr. Yates. Okay. Not seeing a ton yet. I think we'll find another one to trade, guys. Last week was a pretty solid week. I ended up making, I think, 8 or 9R last week. I think it was 9R, 8.9R or something like that last week. And that's with down day on Tuesday. So, you know, we got it pretty good last week. XRX is looking weak. Yeah, we had that on our short list. It's actually looking higher over 28. No, Dallas? To me, I think it looks higher over 28. I won't short this unless it gets back down to 27. There could be a sell setup right here under 27.80. Could be. It is bouncing to the right area, but it also has moved a couple bucks. So we'll see. I think personally you're going to see a 50% retracement to like 27.50-ish, and then it's going to bounce back up. I do like this topping tail though. So if you trade it, just be mindful of the low of the day. You have about 70 cents worth of room on a 20-cent stop, which is a favorable risk to reward, but I don't think it's going to see the low of the day. I think it's going to see about 50% retracement. So we'll see. You know, maybe it keeps going lower, and you'll be right, you know. All right. An XPI in a narrow range, guys. I'm a little disappointed with the long list, quite frankly. The market's doing everything we thought it would do, and the long list is looking pretty crappy, right? We had, oh, there goes Symantec, guys. That's YMC. I didn't expect that to go quite so soon, but there's another 20-cent pop on what was about a 20-cent stop. Are you guys seeing a theme today? Everything we talk about's working, and everything we don't take or we do take isn't, meaning Symantec's doing a good job, Marvell did a good job, WDC did a good job, and CVS did a good job. Good news is, Unwall and Jeff called 2 of those 4 ideas. My name is Jared Dallas Regret. That is me. You see me up? See my hand waving to you? How you doing? My name is right above that too. It says Jared W. That is me. Yep. So welcome to the room, guys. Great job on CVS. Jeff, well done, man. 45-cent stop, and you guys got a quick 70-cent gain on that, so almost 2-to-1. Not quite there yet, but the high of the day is 66.50 on CVS. Well done, well played. Yep. So I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm a little bit frustrated today, a little bit annoyed. I'm happy with how we've managed our trades because Perigo would have been a full stop. Glad we moved the stop, went more than an R. Westmacallit, light, same deal. Partial loss on that, we raised the stop. Same on the back half of that Perigo. So we didn't take full stops on any of these. In fact, I should be up a little bit. Not much, but I should be up a little bit. Let's see here. Yeah, not much. 50 bucks. Up 50 bucks today, guys. $51.30. Not what I came in to trade for today. Some days are McDonald's days. Nothing you could do about it, you know. But like I said, we're not done yet, so let's not throw in the towel just yet. All right. We'll find some more stuff. For those of you guys that are newer, just be patient and disciplined, all right? Don't be caught up in the hype or this or that. And sometimes, and I know how you feel today because it's happened to me, but sometimes you look at 2 or 3 or 4 ideas and you miss them, and you're like, oh, shit, I missed them. I gotta take a trade. You don't have to take a trade. If you missed them, you missed them, and that's all right. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. Be patient, be disciplined. Your pitch will come, guys. Your pitch will come, and we'll find it. And if we don't, we'll get it tomorrow. That's the way you have to take this game. There's too much fluff out there, so much smoke and mirrors, too much bullshit out there. You know, people just flat out lying to people. I've seen it so much; it's unbelievable. Just flat out lying to people. It's sad. You know. Yeah, right there. I'm going to check the short list, guys, just to see if there's anything showing relative weakness. Okay. Minus a third. Yeah, it came back in a little bit, didn't it, Cliff? Looks like you raised that stop to like 108.90 area or something like that under that consolidation. Probably a smart thing to do. Unmol is MIA. He got his WDC and then he just walked away from us. Look, he calls light, right? And then FNSR cancels both of them, calls WDC, takes it, gets target, and then he's like, yep, I'm off to greener pastures now. But in truth, there were opportunities to be had out there. Like I told you guys, the MRVL, Symantec, the CVS, there were some things to be had. You know, Apple is weak. Look at this Viab. Did not see that. That XRX is still pulling down there, Dallas. So you're doing all right there. Yeah, tough spot for me to short Apple, but yeah, I mean there should be some profit taking, right? There should be. You know. So. Anyway, for you guys in the chat room, I just recorded this 30 minutes of trading. I'm probably going to put it on YouTube today. So for those of you out there on YouTube, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to cut the feed right here and then produce this a little bit later, right? Take care.